part of Jamaica Day is to validate in our students, to be proud of Jamaica, to be proud of our history, and promoting clearly our values.
So back to back to back, my baby, front to front to front, my baby, side to side to side, my baby, and this is what she told me.
Jamaica Day is back. And as it's been since 2002, on the last Friday in February. So the 2018 staging will be on the 23rd. In previous years, the celebration has concentrated on a variety of themes, such as the dialects, the arts, outstanding women, and sports.
The theme for Jamaica Day this year is Celebrating Jamaica, Nurturing our cultural and natural heritage.
Schools will celebrate the nation's cultural and natural attributes.
We want our schools, our students to mount displays and have conversations about food, art, indigenous plants, protection of the environment, among other issues. We would love to see the creation of innovations that can be used to preserve our cultural and natural heritage displayed in our schools on Jamaica Day. Many will argue that modern technology is helping to erode our cultural tools and practices, but these innovations will play a part in preserving them. Every year, a school in a different region is selected as the featured school for Jamaica Day. In no particular order, we ensure that each region gets a chance to host. The Ministry of Education, Youth and Information's Civic, Citizenship and Culture and Education Planning Committee, which is made up of representatives from a number of organizations, decided that the featured school and region this year will be Monroe College, located in the Breadbasket Parish of St. Elizabeth, Region 5.
A focus school is also selected for each region.
I pledge the continued and the undying support of the JTA to all our schools in making Jamaica Day 2018 one of the best.
Isn't it not an outreach and a violation of human rights to expect a land so splendidly endowed, so vast, rich, populous to remain merely passive? Surely unity is what we need to complete our work of regeneration. When success is not assured, when the state is weak, results are distant to see, all men hesitate. As soon as we are strong to achieve our cultivation and virtues that will indeed lead to glory. Thank you.
It is clear that the symbolism of the day is resonating across the length and breadth of the island. Perhaps one of the greatest success stories of Jamaica Day is that the spirit in which we observe the day has gone beyond our educational institutions.
This is freedom, freedom, liberation, freedom, freedom for all Asian, freedom, freedom for all nation. A book man and I see Jamaica. And what me say, man?
Join in the celebration on February 23, Jamaica Day. Don your black, green, and gold, as this little island is the globe's cultural superstate.